Hello everyone, today's tutorial is about BIM 5D, which is 4D plus cash flow. Let's see how the BIM 5D is. This highlighted in blue cells are I prepared for BIM 4D scheduling. Please find that tutorial in my YouTube channel or I provided the link at the description. I added the cash flow at the yellow color highlighted as shown here. The amount are just for estimate and for my tutorial only. There will have material cost, labor cost, equipment cost, and subcontractor cost. Here we can see main information of this project. First line will be date and time of simulation. Second will be cash flow and followed by percentage of completed project. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting tutorials. Click the notification bell ASLO. We can check project stage for our desired date and time, so that we can know how the project will be running.